All right, first thing, let's jack it up. Going right under the A-arm so that the coilover continues to have pressure on it. Now let's take that tire off. Next step, remove that big old nut right there. Now we need to remove this top bolt right here. With that bolt out, should be able to pull the hub off, grab it from the mid shaft, and you want to just like that. Now oil is coming out. Oh, that's fine. Get that rag in there. Want to put a little lube. I got it all greased up. Make sure to get it all the way in. Now just put it back together the way you originally had it. Last but not least, I have to take a punch or a screwdriver and notch the bolt so it cannot spin out. Just like that. Let's put the tire back on. Always check your gear oil after doing a CV Halfshaft. You take that bolt out, gear oil should be just about to flow out or flowing out. Hope you liked this tutorial. Hope it helped you. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below. Thank you. Have a nice day.